Why are passive shading overhangs essential for lower home cooling loads? Imagine a home that stays cool naturally without constantly running the air conditioner. Sounds ideal, right? That's where passive shading overhangs come into play. These simple yet powerful elements are key to reducing the need for mechanical cooling. They work by blocking the sun's rays from hitting your windows during the hottest months. When sunlight hits windows directly, it heats up the interior, making your air conditioning work harder and use more energy. Overhangs act like a protective hat for your windows, casting shade and keeping the heat outside. During summer, the sun is high in the sky, and its rays strike south-facing windows at steep angles. A well-designed overhang will cast a shadow that covers the window, preventing direct sunlight from entering. This can lower indoor temperatures by about 10 to 15 degrees Fahrenheit. That means less energy used for cooling and lower bills. The science is simple. Blocking the sun's heat before it enters your home keeps the interior cooler naturally. Overhangs are smart because they adapt to the sun's seasonal movement. In winter, the sun is lower in the sky, so sunlight can enter through the same overhang, warming your home. This seasonal shift allows a single overhang design to serve both cooling and heating needs. It's a core idea in passive solar design, which uses natural energy sources to keep homes comfortable year-round. In regions with hot climates, overhangs can cut cooling energy use by up to 15% each year. That's a big saving, especially in places where air conditioning is heavily relied on. Less work for your cooling system means lower energy bills and less strain on the environment. Besides cooling benefits, overhangs also protect your home's exterior from rain, snow, and ultraviolet rays. This helps extend the life of your siding, windows, and doors, reducing maintenance costs. In winter, when the sun is lower, overhangs still let sunlight in, helping warm your home naturally. This reduces heating costs and makes your house more energy efficient. Because overhangs are fixed and don't need electricity or manual operation, they are a reliable, low-maintenance solution. They work automatically with the sun's movement, making them a perfect passive design feature. Designing effective overhangs depends on your location and building orientation. If your home faces more than about 30 degrees off true south, the overhang's effectiveness drops. So, understanding your local climate, solar angles, and site conditions is essential. For summer, the goal is to fully shade south-facing windows, while in winter, sunlight should be able to reach inside. Homes with well-planned roof overhangs often see higher property values. Buyers appreciate energy-efficient features that save money and reduce environmental impact. These passive shading elements are not just aesthetic. They are functional, cost-effective, and sustainable. They requiring no energy to operate and work all year round to keep your home comfortable. By blocking unwanted heat in summer and letting in warmth in winter, overhangs help create a home that's more comfortable, less expensive to run, and better for the planet.